Thought for the day, Thursday, September 5th. Share your experiences. Living words to be won. We have understood that the world needs to be healed by the gospel because only the good news can give it back the life it lacks. This is why we live the word of life. We incarnated in us to the point of being that living word. But reciprocity and unity clearly emerge when considering the way we live the words. It is not enough for us to live it on our own. No, once we put those words into practice, we need to communicate our experiences fraternally to each other. This is how each one is evangelized, that is, transformed into another Jesus, both by the effort he puts into this living and by the effort he makes to receive within himself the light of the experience of the other. Chiara, Lubich, A New Path, New City.
The Word of Life for September 2024. Do not merely listen to the Word and so deceive yourselves. Do what it says.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.